Fully automatic white ink hot stamping DTF film cutting machine. Save manual film cutting and improve efficiency. DTF film cutting machine work display. Touch screen panel. Operating speed setting. Stop distance setting. Travel distance setting. Manual speed setting. Production count display and count reset. Single, double label selection. Color code distance. Manual, automatic mode. Installation of DTF film. Color code sensor position adjustment. Cutter adjustment. DTF film pushed into the cutter opening. DTF film installation completed. Click Start, Run. DTF film automatically cuts according to the set length. Cut DTF film completed. Finished product sorting, packaging and sealing.